Alright, this is it. 1970 Suzuki. Just got through with the restoration. All little bullshit you have to go through. Get them going. Turned out pretty good, actually. You know, paint has a few flaws, but needs a battery still. Just about ready to fire it up. I'm gonna have to go back a little bit. I just use a screwdriver for mine. Pretty easy to steal, I'd imagine. And yeah, gonna take me a minute here.